Hello friends and potential friends. Well, those of you that have been following my sweet potatoes from seed experiment probably recognize this bed. And I have decided that these sweet potatoes have got to go. And they've got to go fast because I'm already getting seed pods on these things. They're trying to take over this whole bed, the walkways. I've even found them in a couple of other beds where I've never planted sweet potatoes. And so if these pepper plants are going to have any chance of surviving, these things have got to go. So let me rearrange things a little bit and I'll get to work. Oh, well, there they are. At least that's the ones that are in the bed. I did have to sacrifice a couple of peppers, but this ought to give the peppers a fighting chance at least. Now I know that I didn't get them all, and there'll be more coming up in here while I'm gone. But at least this might give the peppers a fighting chance. And folks, it's getting hot out here already. I think today is, what is it, May 20th? Shortly after noon. About 83 degrees out here. They're promising us a little bit of rain tonight or tomorrow. And these poor plants can sure use it. But let me go get rid of these things and finish this up. And let's see, before you start worrying that this is the end of the sweet potato from seed experiment, last week I cut a few of them vines off over there, put them in the lab to root, and now they're in this container, pretty much away from everything else, so they can spread to their heart's content over here. And maybe we'll get some tubers out of the cuttings. Basically, I'm just treating them like slips, and we'll see what they do. And I've got plenty more sweet potatoes, the regular kind, grown from slips, all over the place out here. I had several friends saying that I was going to come back in the fall and find the whole garden covered with sweet potatoes. And that might still happen, who knows? I mean, I'm not fooling myself. I could very well wind up with more sweet potatoes coming up in that bed there. And anywhere else around here too. But at least that'll give the peppers a chance. So, I'll see you on the next one.